Liquid Customs is proud to offer Canadian-built, CSA-approved hydrographic tanks, featuring 3-stage filtering, a master control panel, self-leveling feet, casters, and a hush pump, all for that perfect dip. Depending on the size of the tank that we custom build, tanks will have either 1 or 2 heaters, along with a temperature controller, thermocouple. All of our tanks are built with 301 stainless steel. Our 9-foot hydrographic tanks have 3 compartments. The center compartment is your main dipping area. The center compartment also features a mobile bar which can be placed into either slot, making sure your cuts are perfect. The filtering side stages 3 filters which collects all the debris and any excess that may be on the surface. The first process it goes through is our mesh filter, and then it goes through a perforated steel, and then it goes through a third perforated steel. Water travels at the bottom of the tank all the way to a hush pump, releasing debris-free water, giving you that perfect dip every time. Whether you're looking for a 9-foot hydrographic tank or a 4-foot project tank, we custom build them to any size. Each of our tanks are built with a control panel and a master control panel, so you don't have to reach out to the back to start and stop the pump. After a thorough test of the tank, our tanks are crated and shipped anywhere across Canada or the States. Liquid Customs is proud to offer industry-leading tanks. If you're interested in a hydrographic tank, please reach out to Liquid Customs at www.liquidcustoms.ca.